Hi student, now we learn third standard science, lesson number 1, living and non-living things, and the topic is that all living things feel. Let's start. So first of all, we see the answer key of previous session. The question 1 is that what is breathing? The mechanism of moving air in and out of the lungs is called breathing. Second, lungs is the organ of breathing in humans. Plants breathe through the pores called stomata. 4. Fish breathes through the gills. Okay. So let's start today's session. You know that all living things feel. All living things give respond to the changes in the surrounding. You know that there is a different types of sound. There is a different types of changes take place in the surrounding, temperature, air, cold. So living thing you respond to it. So human being and other animals have senses or sense organs. So we can see that this is a human being which have 5 sense organs there. One is the tongue, that is useful for taste. Eyes, that is useful to vision, means we can see the world through our eyes. Or skin, that is useful to touch or feel. Then ear, that is useful to hear the sound, and the nose, that is useful to smell. So like this, we feel pain and pull away our hand on touching a hot object. So we can see that this is our hand which has the skin, and if we touch any hot object, so we suddenly remove our hand because our skin feel the temperature. So that's why our sense organ helps to feel as the changes that take place in the surrounding. So you know that like animals, plants can also feel the changes around them. Okay, so animals as well as plant also feel the changes around them, but they do not have sense organs. So plant do not have sense organ like human being. For example, you know that this is a plant which kept near the window, and from the window outside the sunlight is coming. So the plant stem grow toward the sunlight. Understand? So this is the movement of the plant, so which feel the sunlight and grow toward the sunlight. And another one picture you can see that this is a window, from the sun is light is coming, and this plant stem bent toward the sunlight. So this plants move toward the sunlight, so it is called phototropism. It is a part of a standard study. Understand what is the phototropism? Just understand the movement of plants toward the sunlight or in the direction of sunlight is called phototropism. So now we can understand that plants can also sense the weather changes. So you can simply understand that many plants shed their leaves in the autumn. Okay, you can see that this is a plant who shed their leaves in the autumn because there is a less scarcity of water. At the same time, the plant bear the flower in the spring. So this prove that plant also sense the weather change. They also feel the changes in the surrounding. I mean, they shed their leaves in the autumn and bear flowers in the spring. To do an activity to check that plants can feel. So here we can see that go to a park near your home, look for a touch me not plant or mimosa plant. When you touch these leaves of mimosa plant, so these leaves will fold in the moment. So you can understand that these leaves get fold. So this proves that plant also feel the changes and they give respond to it. So from this topic we can understand that living things feel. So animals have 5 sense organ and plant give. So let's see the achievement what we learned today. So this is learning at home questions. The question 1 is that name 5 sense organs of human being. So write the names of 5 sense organs of human being. The second question, fill in the blanks. Many plants shed their leaves in dash and bear flower in dash. Write the answer here. And third is that plant stem grow toward the dash. Okay, learn the answer and write it. Thank you.